Hi, I'm so excited to share this unboxing video with you today. This is my newest book that's coming out, Heroes Don't Have to Fly. And the reason it's so special is because my daughter Emily drew this guy back in like 8th or 9th grade, brought it home from school, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this little cute colorful bird that his wings are too small to fly, but he's riding on this scooter. So I named him Scooter. And my theme was kind of, it's not the size of your wings that matters, it's the size of your heart. And I had always wanted to write a story about the power of our words, for good or for bad. We can uplift someone through encouraging and kind words, and we can also tear someone down if we're not kind with our words. And I think that's a great message for kids, and I hope that this book launches some conversations about that. In the story, Scooter has a hero that he looks up to and that uses his words for good, and then Scooter wants to do the same. So I won't give away any more of the story, but I wanted to show you how cool it looks, just like the picture that Emily drew. And I have to tell you, this is a rare thing when an author who isn't the illustrator gets to give some input. So when I showed the editor the picture that Emily drew, just explaining that it inspired the story, I never thought in a million years that she would give it to the illustrator and that's how the character would actually be drawn. So that's what makes it really special to me. And I love Olga's color palette. She's got such beautiful art. So thank you for watching my unboxing. I'm very excited to thumb through all of this. The pictures are amazing, and I hope that you'll think the story is too, and that you'll like it. And you can get a copy anywhere that they're sold online.